I want to show you how to add a border reveal effect in Premiere Pro. So to start, I've already added a border to my timeline that I want to add the reveal effect to. Start by going over to your project panel and creating a transparent video layer. Then accept the default settings and add it above your border clip on the timeline. Make sure your border and transparent video are both set to a 5-second duration. Then go over to Effects and find Right On and add it to your transparent video. Under Effect Controls, change the color of the brush to whatever you want the brush. Brush size should be 50, hardness to 100, stroke length to 5 seconds, and finally, brush spacing to 0.001. From the start of your transparent video, click on the words Right On and move the white circle on the preview screen to wherever you want the reveal animation to begin. Click the stopwatch icon for brush position. Move ahead 15 frames by holding Shift and hitting the right arrow key 3 times. Then, click and drag your white circle to the center of the first line. Move ahead 3 more frames and adjust the position each time until you've gone all the way around and back to the beginning. Delete the border picture. Everything is ready. Let's see the result.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.